Two insurance giants, one big question: GEICO or Progressive? Which one actually deserves your money in 2026? Both promise huge savings, fast claims, and top-tier coverage. You've seen the Gecko commercials and the talking box ads, but behind all that marketing, which insurer really gives you the best deal? Let's cut through the noise and see which company actually delivers, not just in ads but in real life. I've analyzed dozens of major auto insurers, comparing rates, customer reviews, and claim response times, and GEICO and Progressive consistently dominate the market. Both serve millions of drivers nationwide and rank among the top 5 insurers in the US, but their approaches couldn't be more different. GEICO built its empire on simplicity and low-cost premiums, while Progressive has invested heavily in customization, tech innovation, and usage-based pricing. So which one is truly better in 2026? Let's break it down. GEICO's big promise: 15 minutes could save you 15% or more. GEICO sells affordability and speed, policies that are quick to quote and simple to manage. The focus: low premiums and reliability. Progressive's big promise: they emphasize personalized pricing through tools like Name Your Price and Snapshot, programs that track your driving to reward safe habits. Their message: you pay for how you drive. Both sound great, but the reality depends on your lifestyle, driving record, and tech comfort level. Pricing. In 2026, GEICO remains one of the most affordable insurers for low-risk drivers with clean records. Their average annual premium is roughly 10–15% cheaper than Progressive for similar coverage. However, Progressive tends to be cheaper for high-risk or younger drivers, especially those who use the Snapshot program, which can cut rates by up to 25%. Coverage options. Both offer standard policies: liability, collision, comprehensive and uninsured motorist protection. But Progressive stands out with gap coverage, custom parts protection, and better add-ons for modified vehicles. GEICO, meanwhile, keeps things straightforward: fewer extras but a reputation for reliability and simplicity. Technology and apps. Progressive's app feels more advanced, offering live rate comparisons, driver feedback, and instant adjustment tools. GEICO's app is cleaner and easier for basic management, ideal if you prefer simplicity over data tracking. Both apps handle ID cards, roadside assistance, and claims, but Progressive integrates more analytics, while GEICO prioritizes user-friendliness. Claims and service. GEICO's claim response times are among the fastest in the industry. Most minor claims get processed in under 48 hours. Progressive has a solid claims record too, but customer feedback shows slightly more delays during busy periods. However, Progressive excels in handling complex or large accident claims with detailed support. Discounts and benefits. Both offer dozens of discounts: multi-policy, safe driver, student, military, and more. GEICO still dominates for federal employees and government workers, while Progressive's Snapshot and Name Your Price tools make it better for flexible budgets. Financial stability. Both companies hold strong A+ ratings from major agencies, meaning your claims are secure and payouts are reliable. GEICO's main limitation is customization. It's great for standard drivers, but lacks unique add-ons. Progressive, while innovative, can feel overly complex for people who just want straightforward coverage. Its telematics programs also raise privacy concerns for some users who dislike constant driving data collection. So which one wins in 2026? Choose GEICO if you want simple, affordable, and dependable coverage. It's ideal for safe drivers, families, or anyone who values low premiums and quick claims. Choose Progressive if you want flexibility, modern features, and usage-based pricing that rewards careful driving. It's the smarter pick for tech-savvy drivers or those with higher risk profiles. In short, GEICO remains the budget champion, while Progressive is the innovation leader. Both are excellent choices. But your best pick depends on whether you value simplicity or control. In 2026, the real winner isn't the company with the flashiest ads. It's the one that fits your driving habits, your comfort with technology, and how much you're willing to trust an app with your data.